There is probably no heaven, and no afterlife either. And it's my view that the simplest explanation is, there is no God. No one created the universe, and no one directs our fate.
Scientists at CERN just announced a discovery that is said to change the world as we know it. This discovery is not only groundbreaking, but it's also terrifying. From the discovery of a parallel universe that has major implications for our understanding of the world around us, to a black hole that could cause implications for the stability of our own solar system, scientists just announced these terrifying new discoveries. NASA's shocking discovery about the Sun. NASA's goal is to explore space, advance our knowledge, and to ensure that America remains a leader in space exploration. And it is through this exploration that NASA scientists have made this shocking discovery. The discovery was made using the Parker Solar Probe, a spacecraft launched by NASA in 2018 with a goal of studying the Sun. During its mission, the probe has been sending back data and images that have allowed NASA scientists to make some groundbreaking discoveries about the Sun. One of these discoveries is that the Sun is not a big ball of fire. It's a highly dynamic and constantly changing star. NASA scientists have found that the Sun has an immense amount of energy and power, and that the Sun is capable of producing massive solar flares, which are sudden bursts of intense energy that can have a major impact on our planet. This is where the discovery becomes even more terrifying. NASA scientists have found that these solar flares have a potential to disrupt our entire electrical and communication systems. They can cause power outages, disrupt GPS and communication satellites, and even damage our electrical grid. This would have a major impact on our daily lives, and it could take months or even years to fully recover. Not only that, but these solar flares have the potential to harm astronauts in space, astronauts on the International Space Station, or any future missions would need to be protected from these immense bursts of energy, or they could be at risk of serious harm or even death. Furthermore, NASA scientists have also discovered that the Sun's magnetic fields are much more complicated than previously thought. These magnetic fields can cause coronal mass injections, which are massive explosions of plasma and magnetic fields from the Sun. These coronal mass injections have the potential to disrupt Earth's magnetic field.
And this can be equivalent to millions of nuclear weapons exploding simultaneously.
These events can also trigger intense geomagnetic storms, which can cause widespread power outages and disrupt satellite communications. It is important to note that these events are not rare occurrences. The Sun has a regular cycle of 11 years, where it experiences a period of increased activity known as the solar maximum. During this time, the Sun is more likely to produce intense solar flares and coronal mass injections, which can have a major impact on our planet. So what can we do to protect ourselves from these terrifying discoveries? The first step is to continue researching and studying the Sun. NASA is currently working on developing new technologies to better understand the Sun and its behavior. This will help us to predict and prepare for any potential threats to our planet. CERN's petrifying discovery of a parallel universe. The European Organization for Nuclear Research is one of the largest and most advanced research centers in the world. It is here where scientists carry out experiments to try and unlock the secrets of the universe. And it is here where they made this shocking discovery. The discovery was made during a particle physics experiment, where scientists at CERN were looking for evidence of dark matter, the mysterious substance that makes up approximately 27% of the universe. They were using the Large Hadron Collider, the world's largest and most powerful particle accelerator, to smash particles together at high speeds. And that's when they stumbled upon something truly remarkable. In a series of experiments, the scientists observed particles that seemed to disappear into another dimension. At first, they thought it was just a measurement error, but after repeating the experiment multiple times, they found that the particles were indeed disappearing into another universe. This was a groundbreaking discovery, and it was soon confirmed that the particles were entering a parallel universe. For years, Scientists have speculated about the existence of parallel universes, but this is the first time that there is tangible evidence to support this theory. It suggests that there may be an infinite number of universes, each with its own set of physical laws and characteristics, and it opens up a whole new realm of possibilities of what we can learn about the universe ourselves. But here's where the discovery becomes terrifying. The scientists also found that the parallel universe is a mirror image of our own, with the exact same physical laws and characteristics. This means that there is another version of each of us in this parallel universe, living out an alternate version of our lives. And the scientists have no idea what happens to the particles that enter this universe. Are they destroyed, or do they continue to exist in the alternate reality? This raises a lot of questions and concerns. What would happen if we were to accidentally enter this parallel universe? What if there are creatures or beings in this universe that are hostile to us? These are all questions that need to be addressed, and it's up to the scientific community to continue exploring this new frontier and find answers to these important questions. The horrors of the Horizon Telescope Project. Scientists from the Event Horizon Telescope Project have announced a discovery about black holes that is both exciting and alarming. Black holes are regions of space with a gravitational pull so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape from them. The Event Horizon Telescope Project was established to study the properties of black holes and to try to better understand their behavior. The project is a collaboration between a number of international institutions, and its goal is to create the first ever image of a black hole. And it is here where they made this shocking discovery. The discovery was made while studying a supermassive black hole at the center of the Milky Way galaxy. The scientists were using advanced image technology to create a map of the black hole and its surroundings. But what they found was far more terrifying than anything they could have imagined. They discovered that the black hole was much larger and much more powerful than previously thought. The gravitational pull of the black hole was so strong that it was distorting the fabric of space-time itself, causing it to bend and stretch in strange and unpredictable ways. This was a major cause for concern, as it could have implications for the stability of our own solar system. The scientists immediately notified the scientific community and the governments of the world about this discovery. A team of experts has been working around the clock to determine the full extent of this phenomenon and find a solution to prevent it from causing harm to our planet. The discovery raises a lot of questions and concerns. What would happen if the gravitational pull of a black hole was strong enough to destabilize our solar system? What would be the consequences for our planet and our species? These are all questions that need to be addressed, and it's up to the scientific community to continue exploring this new frontier and find answers to these important questions.
And you see the Event Horizon Telescope succeed, and you have hope that we'll be able to tackle these global questions together.
We've seen science and technology can impact our world both positively and negatively. CERN and NASA's discoveries are just the beginning, with much more to uncover. Every discovery brings new challenges, and it's up to us to work together and find solutions and answers. Let us know what you think about these alarming discoveries in the comment section below, and subscribe for more fascinating content from us. See you in the next video.